Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. So my name is Piers. I invest in service accommodation business and property investing. I've got so many clients I've helped through either my consulting and my sourcing, but also I have an online program which I show step-by-step process. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below, so please do go and check it out. In this video, I wanted to share something different. I get a lot of people asking, Piers, what apps are you using currently to make your business a lot smarter, operational wise, structure wise and stuff? And I thought this was something, it took me a while to, I'm quite techie and I do know how to kind of put stuff together in terms of design, but this was something I found quite recently, only last week actually, and I thought, you know what, it'll be so handy that if I pass it over to all my supporters, to people who are actually, looking to start service accommodation business. And for me, it's so important that anything I know, I'm absolutely open to share. As you can see from my channel, I've made so many other videos. So today's video, I'm going to share you something that I think is quite important, but sometimes we completely miss the opportunity purely because we're probably not as techie or probably not know how to do it. So today I'm going to show you my screen. So the first thing I would like to introduce is to a software called Whitestamp. As you can see from my screen, I've just logged into Whitestamp. And Whitestamp is basically, they've got a paid offer as well, but they've got a free offer as well, where you can pretty much brand your email. So today I'm going to show you on this video how you can have a signature, a professional signature on the bottom of the page, so that, whenever you're communicating with a estate agent, your clients, you're looking a lot more professional. And also, it's another attribute towards your service accommodation business, because then it's not only that, not only you're doing your signature, but if you've got any offers, you can promote it through there. You can also put your social media links in there, so then you can tell clients that they can go and like your page. So if you can see from my screen, I can say it says at the moment that they've got over 850 users. I'm pretty sure they have as well, because I tried it myself and I found it very, very nice, simple and easy to use. So the first thing we're going to do is create a free signature. There you go, and it's pretty straightforward. It shows you on the right hand side, it gives you the name of the client. It also gives you, what the company position, the company name is, their phone number, your email, your company email. So let's try and do it together. So I will just quickly show you, there you go, what it looks like at the end of the setup. So, all right. Right. Yeah, so you're just literally filling in the information. It's going to leave that blank. So whatever company you want to use, you can use that. Right, and more, and that's pretty much it. And then obviously it needs you to put a logo of your company, so we can just go and find you a logo. Right, let's just do better hotel. Done. Brilliant. So if you can see on the screen, they've now literally created a nice and simple way of my company name, my email, my position, and the logo of the company, the email, and there you go. And I think all they're going to do is they will send that over to me on an email, and once you do okay, I'm done, that's complete. There you go. I'll be using signature in, you can say however you want to use it. I'll put it saying in my Gmail. Brilliant. Or if you're using your personal emails, you ask them for HTML, it's entirely up to you. Well, that's a simple little tip that I thought, by putting that into your emails, it's going to be so handy. It's going to look a lot more professional. And while you're communicating with your clients, even if you're new to service accommodation business, you start communicating to letting agents or landlords, or even if you've got any other kind of business, then that is very, very important, and it makes your email look a lot more professional, and your signature at the end makes a lot more driving your traffic into social medias and stuff. That you can put a link down below as well. So Guys, I hope you enjoyed this little free stuff that I found. I found it very useful, so I'm actually trying to create it for all my companies, putting it all together on my email. But thank you so much for watching. Please give this channel a subscribe and a massive like.